Good, happy Thursday morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started. Rain Thursday could mean improvements to drought conditions in New Hampshire. While Thursday's expected rain could create flooding concern, it also should help relieve drought conditions in New Hampshire. At Benedict Dairy Farm in Goffstown, the cows are ready for nice weather, and owner Max Benedict hopes the recent precipitation will mean his cows have plenty of grass to eat this summer. Last year's drought took a toll on Benedict Dairy and many other farmers across the state. Benedict has a farm stand open 7 days a week with organic products, but the lack of rain last year resulted in a loss of about $40,000 for his business. Even now, Benedict said he has bills to pay from last season, so the dip in revenue has affected planning growing forward. This winter, there have been signs of improvement with the snow and rain. In a map released by the state last week, much of New Hampshire was still experiencing moderate drought. Even if that improves, Benedict will remain cautious, hopeful Mother Nature is kinder this year. The state will put out a new drought map Thursday, which will indicate whether drought conditions have improved or not. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your Thursday. Bye, everyone.